Let's see how to install ABAP Cleaner and use it. To install ABAP Cleaner, open ADT, click on Help, select Install New Software, paste this URL and click Enter. Select ABAP Cleaner for ABAP Development Tools and click Next. Wait for the installation and click Next again. Accept the license agreement and click Finish. To ensure ABAP Cleaner is installed, go to the Source Code menu and you should be able to see two new menu items. 1. Clean up with Automated ABAP Cleaner and 2. Clean up with Interactive ABAP Cleaner. It's quite simple to use ABAP Cleaner. For that, select a section of code and go to Source Code, Clean up with Automated ABAP Cleaner. You can see the entire section got formatted. Even if you place the cursor on a particular line, the entire statement gets formatted. If nothing is selected, the entire method gets formatted. Now let's see how Cleanup with Interactive ABAP Cleaner works. For that, select the entire code and go to Source Code, Cleanup with Interactive ABAP Cleaner. A new window opens right next to the actual window. As you can see, left side shows the code as it is and the right side shows how the code would look like if we go ahead with the suggestions from ABAP Cleaner. There are different color codings for each suggestion from ABAP Cleaner. For example, red indicates some code to be removed, like an empty line, and yellow indicates that there is some change in the code. On the right side, there are different rules that are coming from the cleanup settings which can directly influence the display. If you want to skip a particular rule, simply uncheck and ABAP Cleaner ignores that particular rule. In addition to that, if you mark a particular section of code, ABAP Cleaner shows all the different rules that were used to clean it. Once you verify all the code changes and if you feel satisfied, click on Apply and Close and all the code changes will be moved back to the ADT editor. If you do not want to go ahead, click on Cancel and all the code changes will be discarded. ABAP Cleaner is shipped with two profiles, 1. Default and 2. Essential, which consists of only a limited set of cleanup rules suggested by Clean ABAP Style Guide. The profile selected here would be the one used by the automatic ABAP Cleaner when you press Ctrl 4.